Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new Arrivals, where I highlight new stuff that came in, some of my favorite picks, and today we have a very special episode for you. Let's be honest, in almost every part of a man's life, you won't find much salmon. I mean, if you look at our closets, our garages, our sneaker racks, it's a sea of blue, black, green, navy. You aren't exactly lining up for a salmon-colored 911 or a pair of pink Old Jordans. And yet, in the world of hierology, specifically at Patek Philippe, the rose gilt opaline is the ultimate flex. Why? Because against a platinum or white gold case, salmon provides mechanical soul. It creates a high contrast warmth that makes the complications just basically pop. Patek has obviously seen success with it. That's why they keep making it, because it just sells well. And the market shows that. That's why you start to see these premiums across a lot of different salmon variations. Patek has doubled down on it because they know it's the one place where a man can wear pink and feel like a king. Today, we're looking at 5 arrivals that prove why this paradox works. Starting off with the modern classic, the Patek Philippe 5172G Salmon Dial. At nearly $98,000 retail, this is the quintessential modern look manual chronograph. It replaced the 5170. Triple step lugs and syringe hands that look incredible against the specific shade. It's the entry point to our salmon run, but with the new movement, it is absolutely pure class. 5172G in white gold. Next up, we have probably the newest release of the bunch, and that's going to be the 6196P, 6196 in platinum with a salmon dial, 38mm Calatrava that trades on just pure minimalism. At $52,000 retail, it's the purest pick, as they like to say, the Patek purest pick. No date, no noise, just a small second subdial and faceted markers. This is where white metal and salmon contract at its most elegant. 6196 platinum retail price, $52,000. Next up, we have the heritage piece, the 5320 in white gold. A full perpetual calendar that looks just like it was pulled from a 1940s archive. Let me see which one is it here. 5320. The salmon dial they created right after the cream dial 5320, which did exceptionally well in the market. It's a perpetual calendar that you have to take a second look to actually see it's a perpetual calendar. From far, it doesn't look like the quintessential Patek Philippe perpetual calendar where there's a chrono and there's pretty much a lot of busy stuff going on in the dial. This is a very, very clean perpetual calendar. At $114,000 retail, to me, it has a soul that the standard cream dial just doesn't have. 5320G perpetual calendar in white gold. Next up is the watch that pretty much started the salmon craze for me personally. And when it was released, I immediately fell in love with it. No, they no longer make it anymore, but they do make it in platinum with the green dial, which retails today for $242,561. Don't forget the $561. It's the legend. It's the 5270p in platinum. It's the one that, in my opinion, defined the whole generation of new collectors. And I think, to me, it was the piece that kind of put dress watches back on the map. It's a perpetual calendar, the DNA of the brand. Remember, we did 1518s, 2499s, 3970s, 5970s, and now 5270s. It is the gold standard when it comes to Patek Philippe. And finally, we have a watch here that I have never seen in person before. I've only heard about a few years ago when it was released. A lot of you may not even know it exists, and I know a lot of dealers that also don't know it exists. Of course, I'm talking about the final boss when it comes to a salmon dial. That would be the 5308P, a minute repeater, mono pushes split seconds chronograph, and instantaneous perpetual calendar. Originally made for the Tokyo boutique, move over guys. It is a 15-piece limited edition run. It retailed at the time for 1.1 million Swiss francs, was pretty much in line with today's 5308, which is in white gold, which was released earlier in 2025 with the ice blue dial. This was the original one in platinum with the salmon dial. Now, when I say grail watch, you know, sometimes we throw that term around pretty loosely, but when I got this in, I can officially say that this is an absolute grail watch to me. Market price today of over $3 million. You'd be hard pressed to find another one on the market. This is the only one I've seen on the market. It is sold, therefore it is not available for purchase today. However, I'm always up for a challenge to find another one if you guys are interested in purchasing. Market price on the piece is around $3.2 to $3.5 million. So from $52,000 to $3.5 million, it's a color we wouldn't wear just anywhere else. But on a Patek, we can't get enough of it. 4 of these pieces are currently available for viewing and acquisition here at Luxury Bazaar if you're ready to add the ultimate salmon to your collection. Click the link in our bio or send us a DM on Instagram or visit our website at www.luxurybazaar.com to schedule a call with one of our advisors. These don't stay in the safe for long, so act fast. Which one are you taking home? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next episode of New Arrivals.